Hey everybody, so today Albertans Advocating for Change Together met with Pete Guthrie, who is an MLA and the leader of the progressive Tory party here in Alberta. It was an absolutely incredible meeting. I think I may or may not have teared up a couple of times during that meeting because it's the first time that I have felt a sense of hope from a conservative government here in Alberta in far too long. It has been incredibly difficult for the last number of years under the UCP to be a person with a disability because this government has just been relentless in their cruelty toward our community. And not just the disability community, many other communities too. Teachers, healthcare workers, educational assistants, trans folk, members of the LGBTQ2S+ community, and indigenous folk, and probably others that I'm missing out. But I think that meeting really showed me how much pain this government has caused the disability community. Because, having somebody be willing to listen who's, not part of the NDP, but having somebody who's willing to listen and willing to take time out of their day to hear our concerns and, actually stay longer than the meeting was set for, to make sure that they heard all of our concerns. It honestly felt like I was letting out a breath that I didn't know I was holding. So, to Peter, thank you immensely. I think there's still a little bit of fear in me, because of everything this government has put us through. But you have given me, and hopefully many others in the disability community, some hope. And I said it before, I'll say it again. I truly do wish your party the best and all the success. And I truly look forward to working with you in the future. And just again, thank you. I just want to quickly add that if you have any concerns or questions that you'd like to address to Peter, you can send an email to his constituency email address. I'll put in the description of this video. And again, thank you.